The content was so much designed to be immediately applicable in the real world scenario. Engaging interactions, I would say, kept us so glued up to the sessions, and Dipanshu's examples were both interesting and relatable.
PIBA was the turning point for my career success. I was struggling with converting the opportunities into the offers. Post PIBA sessions, I was able to successfully convert the opportunities to offers. Surprisingly, I was able to get 5 offers from India. 4 were from the MNC, 1 was from the grooming startup.
Interview is such a hard barrier that one need to crack because you have to put everything that you've got, and once you're through that wall, like it's probably on the other side, everything is goody goody there. Like everything is easy. These companies build such a hard barrier that's very hard to crack.
After having those, mock-up sessions and mock interview practice, then I was confident enough to go for any of the interview. Best part about Interacts that Devanshu or the entire team will help you to get a job.
I was like everything. I think this was a very nice, or I can say the best decision, because I really listened to him and I understood a few of the things because practically I was not really sure how the things work, and he made me realize that how you really need to do it. Here I got to know many people who are into the same journey. At the same time, he was creating the project, and he also helped us to understand the how AI you can use to create your project. How can you be successful more into BA journey with the help of AI?
Nowadays, human interaction is very less. It's only one-way communication wherever you take a course or something. Either it will be recording, or if it's human as well, it's only one way. They teach you something, later on they'll give you a Google form, they'll tell you to write your questions and all. But Dipanshu is not doing in that way.
Initially, worked as a quality analyst, then I turned into business analyst, where PIB really helped me shape my skills, and I worked on my skills, and I'm working here in Canada.
So I think when I was doing those assignments, it really helped me in a practical way. Whatever we were doing at that time, also I got a brief of how we can actually do it practically.
If there are 100 BAs and something is giving me the opportunity to come into top 10 BAs, I would happily go for that. I joined first session. A lot of people actually were asking questions, and couple of discussions were happening. So surprisingly, couple of discussions I was not aware of. Even though I was preparing for these many interviews, I cleared these many interviews. Still, I was not aware of. Made a lot of impact actually.
Issues with time management. You have issues with understanding the process, or with UMLs. Okay, asking questions. So he will break down all onto an personal level, on an individual level, to help you really come out of the problem. And yeah, so he's always like, this is my personal experience. He's always available even after the schedule. Like as I said, more than 3 years. It's been more than 3 years I was associated with him, and we are like still in contact. So yeah, even after the course, if you need anything, you can reach out to him at any point. So that is the thing which is, I guess, his USP.
The sessions was always interactive. He will ask, it's like a school, you tell me the answer, you tell me the answer. That is also good because he wanted to ensure that people understand the concept here.
Just 7 or 8 days after my mock interview was completed, I had one offer in hand. And in the actual interview which I cleared, mostly the same questions were asked, and then the interviewer asked some situational questions. 1 or 2 situational questions were also there.
Somebody who has got into a BA profile, but there is no growth from there. To have that growth, you need to switch. For switching, you need to crack interviews. And what is the present market of a BA? What are the present tools a BA should know? Whether a BA should also know data analysis or not.
These sessions would enrich our knowledge, and instead, he gives us PPT, but he won't bombard with contents. He gives us what is essential because he has the experience, right? So that explanation, very well structured curriculum, and time oriented approach.
PIBA is just a program. It's not just a course that you'll be completing. It is like a catalyst for the growth. I know. Since we are experienced, we are already exposed to way many things that we'll be learning in PIB. But I still feel it's a catalyst for the growth in our career. So for the experienced professionals, it offers a chance to refresh your perspective, learn new techniques, whatever is there in the market.
Let me help you crack your upcoming BA interview. I will see you in the BA interview.